Closure of universities and colleges due to COVID-19 has led the students to be parted away from practical learning from certain courses like mechanical engineering. This has also impacted the rapid prototyping of various innovations related to COVID-19 in the university. We offer the DIY kits for rapid prototyping, which serves the purpose of practical exposure to students as well as the rapid prototyping of innovations at the homes and remote areas. Our solution include spot welding and arc welding, rolling machine, meter saw, mini CNC machine and sheet metal punching. So this is arc welding. Arc welding is a type of welding process using an electric arc to create heat to melt and join metals. A power supply creates an electric arc between a consumable or non-consumable electrode. Next we have CNC machine. CNC stands for computer numerical control. CNC machining is a metal fabrication method where written code controls the machinery in the manufacturing processes. Next we have meter saw. It is a saw used to make crosscuts in a workpiece by pulling the mounted circular saw blade down onto a board in a quick motion. They are also referred as chop saw. Next is rolling machine. A plate rolling machine is a machine that will roll different kinds of metal sheet into a round or conical shapes. Next, we have sheet metal press tool. It is a combination of die punch and some other accessories which can produce a particular shape of sheet metal with application of pressure. And at last, we have spot welding. Spot welding is a resistant welding process that is used primarily for welding two or more metals sheet together by applying pressure and heat to the weld area.
Now talking about the limitations of our prototype, the only limitation of our prototype is that it is only limited to small scale practices and it cannot be used for large scale industry practices. And if I talk about future modification, we will like to add augmented and virtual reality for tutorials of our products so that our customer can easily understand how to use these DIY kits in a virtual environment instead of reading those long instruction manuals. Now I'm going to discuss about our budget. Deciding the budget of our DIY kit, we kept various factors in our mind while planning the cost of our product. Various factors like make or buy decisions, market availability of material, different processes costs that are involved in producing the product. We made sure that our product is cheaply available to our customers without compromising the overall quality of the product. Our DIY kit consists of 6 machines, which are spot welding machine, arc welding, miter saw, rolling machine, sheet metal punching machine and a mini CNC machine. The average cost of each machine is around rupees 3000 except the mini CNC machine which cost around rupees 16,000, which is due to the expensive parts that a CNC consists like stepper motor, tools, etc. So the total cost of our DIY kit comes around to be rupees 30,000. Our goal is to provide DIY kits as cheap as possible to the students which are unable to get hands-on experience on these machines due to this whole pandemic situation.
In COVID-19 situation, we thought of making something which can be helpful to many people involved in some sort of mechanical stuff. Our do-it-yourself project will provide hands-on experience to different people who don't have access to the machines. With this do-it-yourself kit, skilled labor will be able to manufacture the COVID-19 fighting equipments like hands-free sanitization sheet, sheet metal chambers of UV radiation, etc. And student will be able to get practical exposure to various production operations. Our marketing strategy for do-it-yourself kit is to engage with millennials such as students in mechanical engineering or people involved in production strategies by social media or by organizing workshops at different places. This kit would definitely assist people in upgrading their skills by grasping things in a better way. Our kit is made with the inexpensive parts which can be serviced or are easily available in the market. Things which can be concluded is that the kit is made keeping in mind all sort of things which will make things easier to do. Thank you.